Oh. It's asleep. Dun, dun. Dum, how, how. It doesn't take long for all of them to get to sleep either. Now it woke up by itself. That means it's gonna go off by itself. Huh? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oops, I forgot to wake down. Whoop. See, they're all hungry. See, he woke up by himself, and now he's gonna go off by himself. Unless they turned him on for good. Well, not for good, just for a while. What? I'm asleep.